Today we're gonna be putting on some new tow mirrors that Yitamotor sent us. So let's look at these guys real quick. These actually look like they're super well quality. You can actually tell that they're made out of decent material. So what we're gonna first need to do is open your door, and you're gonna have to pop this guy off. So let's see, there's a clip right there, so it just pops off that easy. And then you're gonna need to pull this piece out. Make sure you don't rip it because they're super easy to rip. So you're gonna have to pull this piece out. Okay, that piece is out. And then you'll have that bolt in the corner, that bolt up there, and then that bolt up here. We're gonna try and take it off without pulling the whole door panel off. So let's get to that. Top one up here. You're just gonna want to do it by hand so you end up not dropping it in the whole door. So let's get this first one off. Gotta be real careful we don't drop it. It's also at an angle, so it's harder to pull out. So this top one, you're gonna want to use an extension with the 10mm socket. But with these other ones, since they're in there at an angle, you're gonna want to take off the extension and put them in there. That one over there is going to be trouble to get. This one seems like it might be pretty decent, so we're going to try and do that. But we're going to actually take off the door panel because it's going to be way harder to get to those. So you're going to want to get a screwdriver, unbolt that one, and then there's clips all around. There shouldn't be any more screws or anything, but you're going to have to pop this out and these two bolts. So let's get to that. You're gonna want to pull this one right out, so then you can put your new one in. You're gonna want to put the mirror in and put this little bracket on the top. It comes with a longer bolt. You're gonna want to bolt that on, bolt this one on the corner, and then this other one in the other corner on, and then put your door panel back on. All right, so we got the mirrors installed. I got them extended out right now. They look pretty decent, super wide out there. But you can also push these mirrors in, so you can put them in like that. Look pretty nice. The mirror quality looks pretty good also. Now that you got your mirrors in, you're gonna wanna set them up to how you like them. So just sit straight in your chair or slouched, however you guys sit when you guys drive. And you're gonna wanna make sure from this angle, you're gonna be able to look over and see. So I sit a little bit more slouched up, so I'm gonna wanna move, well, probably, we'll keep that one there. And we'll throw this one a little bit like that. Actually a little bit farther out, so we'll do it like that. So then you can see where your trailer is, you're backing up or whatever. And then you can see in the opposite lane as you. So from this angle, you just look at it, it's like that. Now this one, you're gonna wanna go to the other side and fix that one the way you want.